Hello guys, this is Guhan Bhaskar behind the camera and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to unbox Smith's 6 ampere smart plug. I purchased this smart plug for 699. It is a made in India project, especially it is manufactured in Tamil Nadu in the city of Coimbatore. So now let's cut open the box and check the smart plug. And we have a very tiny information booklet here, and it is mandatory to read it before you use. And surprisingly, I can see a dirt over the plug, and which makes me to doubt whether this is a already used product or it is a brand new. And also I can hear the noise of something which is some metal parts inside this plastic case. Even I have heard the same kind of noise inside the Smith's smart bulb, and I have seen in many reviews that smart plug will be having these kind of noises. Anyway, let's proceed to check whether this is working fine or not. Let me check whether anything else is present inside the box. The box is empty. So only the smart plug and the information booklet is present inside the box. So let's proceed for the installation of the smart plug. I wanted to explain a little bit on this design aspect. So as I explained earlier, the noise is annoying, and the plastic which has been used here is also of very cheap quality. You can feel that cheap quality plastic in your hands while you touch it. And also the dirts on this brand new switch feels that the brand is somewhat cheap. And then the physical switch is present over the top, and even that clicking sound is of a very cheap plastic sound you can hear. And overall it is like a bad and poor build. So now let's proceed for the installation of this smart plug. So I have a Wipro bulb. So this is not a smart bulb, this is an ordinary LED bulb. This is a 10 watts bulb, and I have a bulb holder which can be plugged into a socket. Now I'm just trying to insert that bulb holder into the smart plug socket. It feels very poor plastic. I feel that the smart plug will be breaking inside my palm. Oh, I can able to see that plugs marking inside that plastic. It is of very bad quality. Okay, anyway, it went inside the socket, and then it fixes firmly. It sits firmly. I'm just connecting the bulb for this. So this is going to be a very long setup. So I'm just inserting the smart plug into my plug in one of my room. I'm doing it very carefully because this plastic is of very poor quality. I can't able to trust this for a long time. and now the LED on that smart plug starts to blink. So there's a manual switch there, so that manual switch is used to bypass the application, the smart control of your bulb, so that you can manually offline, you can do it, you can handle this offline using that physical manual switch. This LED is keep on blinking until it connects to the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to set up the switch using the app in my phone. So I have several other Smith smart bulbs with me, you can see in the listings. So I'm going to give a new device and then go into the plugs option and then just following the instructions from the screen. So now my phone application is searching for the Wi-Fi, my home Wi-Fi. So I'm just clicking on the home Wi-Fi and then it finds the smart plugs Wi-Fi here. So you can see the Smith smart plugs connection here, and then you should start the setup, and you have to choose the room, and then again you have to choose the Wi-Fi network to connect, in which network you should connect the bulb into it. So I'm just again choosing the same my home network and then giving the password for that, and then your device is successfully connected. So give you a name for the smart plug so that you can handle this using the voice control from your Amazon Alexa or from your Google Home. And there you can see the smart plug has been listed out in the devices category in the home page of my Smith application. So here we have many options for the smart bulb. I have renamed this as smart setup because I'm going to do some other functions with this smart plug. I'm just planning to. There are many options to play with this smart bulb, the smart plug. So here you can see the live reading, so that you can see that 10 watts has been consumed because that bulb which is glowing now is consuming 10 watts, and you can set the timer, you can set the countdown timer and anything which you want. And unfortunately there is no schedule timer, so that you can't able to set the schedule for the switching on and off of the smart plug. And here you can clearly see how the smart plug has been responding while using the app. So here I am switching on the smart plug, so immediately the power goes into it and then the bulb is glowing. So I'm just switching off, so it got off. So you can play like this in whichever part in the world. You can use this app, and then you can turn off and on the smart plug. We have only very few options to play with in this Smith smart plug, but this live reading is really a wonderful option so that you can monitor the usage of the electricity via the smart plug. The first negative point I've noticed is while you're connecting your laptop charger with the smart plug, and if your laptop body is a metal one, then you can feel a little amount of shock on that laptop body. It means there is no proper earthing done to that smart plug. I have made the smart plug to function for some time. I have connected the laptop and some monitors with that smart plug, and in the evening I returned home from the office and then I tried to switch on the plug, but this is what the response I got. I've just connected the bulb again for the demonstration purpose, but the Smith smart bulb is dead. You can see a red light, a mild red color light is blinking over there, but you can't find that smart plug in your app. That Wi-Fi is gone. You can slightly notice a noise, like it is trying to function like click 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 noise. I can able to hear from that, but it is completely down. I have made a replacement request in the Flipkart, so they have approved it, and I'm waiting for the replacement product. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope this video is very much useful for you in creating the awareness for the Smith smart plug. I'm very much sad that I didn't use the smart plug clearly fully, and I didn't try any hardcore things in this, so I can't able to give a proper review also. So before that itself the smart plug fails, so I'm very much disappointed with this smart plug.